In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your outdated project canvas design framework directly inside the Wix editor on Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're already inside the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. This process is all about finding the design controls built into the editor so you can review and update the overall visual style of your existing project without having to edit every element one by one. That's especially helpful if you're working with an older design framework and want to bring everything into better alignment. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the vertical sidebar that contains the main editing tools for your site. In that sidebar, find the Site Design option, which is marked with a brush tool icon. Go ahead and click that button to open the design panel. When the panel opens, this is where you can manage the global theme settings for the site. These controls affect the broader look and feel of your project, so changes made here can help create a more consistent design across multiple pages and sections. If your project canvas uses an outdated framework, this area is one of the most important places to review because it lets you modernize key visual settings from one central location. Start by checking the font bundle pairings. This controls the typography system used across the site, including how heading fonts and body fonts work together. Choose a pairing that matches the tone of the project and improves readability. If the older framework feels dated, updating the fonts can make an immediate difference without requiring a full redesign. Next, review the button styling definitions. This is where you can adjust the overall appearance of buttons used throughout the site. Pay attention to how buttons look in terms of shape, size, and visual emphasis. A clear and consistent button style helps improve navigation and makes calls to action easier to notice. After that, move on to the site color maps. These global colors usually influence large parts of the site's visual identity, including backgrounds, text accents, and interface elements. If the existing color system feels inconsistent or outdated, refining the color map can quickly make the design feel more polished and unified. As you work, take your time and preview the changes in context inside the editor. Small adjustments to typography, buttons, and colors can have a big impact when combined. Once everything looks consistent with the updated direction of the site, you'll have successfully reconfigured the global theme settings directly from the Wix editor in Chrome.